Hello techies, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to cover the introduction and basics of Automation Anywhere 2019 version. So in this video, we will be discussing how to log into the control room, how to install an agent, how to connect the agent with the control room and the product bot. We'll also build an Hello World bot. Okay, so I have already logged in. I'll just log out quickly. This is how the login screen looks like. I have entered my user ID and password here, then clicked on login. Now, if you will check in my devices section, there is nothing. Also, you will be able to see the connect to local device option is also in warning mode. So what does this means is there's nothing connected as of now. So just need what to proceed further, just click on connect the device, connect to my computer. Okay, so since I have already installed this in my machine, no, I have already downloaded this exe in my machine. I will just click on install for it. This will take some time. Now it is installing. Click on enable extension. It's recommended to restart your browser after enabling the extension. Looks like it is done. Yep, it's connected. Awesome. Okay, so let's say if you want to execute this bot in remote, you can also provide your password here. This is going to be your password of your Windows machine. But in this demo, it is really not required. But this I'm providing it for the sake of it. Okay, so we have covered login, installing, and connecting with the agent. The next is we need to cover the product walkthrough. Okay. So after logging in, you are given a screen like this. This is how your home screen looks like. We'll talk about the left pane options, left panel options present and everything. Okay. So on the home screen, you will be able to see option to create a bot, open an IQ bot, open a bot inside, open RE framework. Okay. So if you will click on create a bot, you will be given an option to create a task bot, which are the basic bots which we create. Similarly, you will get an option to create IQ bots. Okay. And then here you will be able to see your execution status and all other reports related to the bots. The last one is OpenRE. This is the new framework, which is basically designed to help you with the front end automations. Okay. Now, okay, this is all about home. Dashboard is again some insights about your bots, how many bots you have created, and all those things. In activity, you will be able to see what is in progress, what you have executed in the past, what was the status of it. Under bots, you will be able to see my bots, which is basically nothing but all the bots which you have created, and this is your credential manager. We'll be able to see my credential lockers and credential request here. We'll talk about this in detail, but for now, you just need to understand you can store your uh, credentials here. Lockers is basically you will be able to bifurcate the credentials from different bots using a locker. Then global values, here you can store your global variables which can be reused across multiple bots. Then packages, which packages are currently downloaded into your uh, available into your installation. Okay. Then this is my device. We have currently installed this device into our machine, and this is all about IQ. Then we have options for administrator and settings. We don't have to go into the deep of this. You don't have to make any changes here. Okay, we quickly go to bots option, my bots, and we will be creating an bot. Awesome. And we'll call it load create and edit. Okay, this is how the developers panel looks for and bot. Okay, the left side you will be able to see variables, actions, triggers. We can talk about the variable sessions, what type of variables are available in a later video. For this, we will cover the options here. We have the option called run, debug, analyze, close, and save. Okay, so uh, and here we will have all the options related to like X related option, date, time related option, all the actions we will have here. Okay, and then we will have variable. We can create a variable using clicking on this option. Similarly, we will have triggers, and we will have multiple triggers of each type, like if file folder, email trigger, interface trigger, all type of triggers. Okay, so we'll not go into deep of this. We'll just create a hello world program for this demo. So you can see here, this is again we have three options: flow, list, and dual. Okay, so list will give option something like this, where you will have of everything in uh, list, and in dual you will have both the options. You will be able to see a chart or a flow, and also you will be able to see the list. Okay, so let's go with this example. Okay, you can see here the moment I dropped the message box here, it also was visible here. Okay, so I'm just giving some text in the window title. My first A2019. Okay. We can also give an option to close the message automatically, but we don't have that option. I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Okay, what this is going to do is this is going to connect with your uh, local agent which is installed in your machine, and it will deploy the bot after connecting with it. What it is doing in the background, it is creating an exe for your code. Okay, and then it is executing the exe. Your bot agent is going to execute your exe in the background. So currently it is downloading all the dependencies. Basically, we have used the message box here. So the package it is going to download, and then you can see message bot. So above you can see trust stack, which we have added as a Windows title. Message from the bot is my first bot using A2019. Yep, that's all. This was good. So that was all in today's session. What we can do is, I mean, if you have any further questions, you can uh, drop some comments. I will try to answer them. And also, I have kept all this code and the exe in my in the drive link. You will be able to access the same. Okay. Also, I have dropped the link to